If you're ready to change your life, here's some important information. Wherever you live, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration technicians are in demand. HVAC is a technical career that offers variety, mobility, and independence on the job, plus the possibility of self-employment. And it starts with Northeast Technical Institute's career training program.
They prepared me for a career I've always wanted, and then helped me get started.
A better job, a better salary, a better life. Call NTI now, 800-447-1151, 800-447-1151.